redundancy in power and systems, respectful performance, stable handling, ice protection, lots of room in a comfortable cabin, and the latest in avionics technology. Almost. The Seneca 5, introduced in 1997, was a major upgrade over the Seneca 4, and it included a Garmin G600 system mated to a pair of Garmin GNS 430s. The latest version of the Seneca 5, now offered by Piper, however, has been upgraded to the Garmin G1000 series glass cockpit.
I say,
But alas, Coronado's
what a
version
wonder
sports
for
the
Voar.
G600. Therefore, we'll consider this an opportunity to explore the G600, which has many of the same features as the G1000, making it pretty easy to learn if you have previously flown the G1000 that comes with Coronado's Cessna 208B EX Grand Caravan, for example. As is common with many of Piper's aircraft, the Seneca has a stabilator, as opposed to a conventional elevator. As far as I can tell, the main aerodynamic control advantage of the stabilator is that control forces increase as airspeed increases, making it more difficult to apply full deflection of the stabilator, thereby preventing excessive forces which could cause structural damage to the aircraft. The Seneca 5 has a pair of Continental turbocharged 220 horsepower fuel-injected 6-cylinder horizontally opposed engines with counter-rotating props, which means there is no critical engine in an engine-out emergency. The props are Macaulay 3-blade, constant speed, adjustable pitch, full feathering, and measure 76 inches in diameter. Turbocharging allows the engines to maintain the rated horsepower up to 19,500 feet. At 12,000 feet, the Seneca will cruise at 180 knots on 24 gallons per hour. Using a 75% power setting with no wind, the Seneca has a cruise range of 826 nautical miles, has a maximum takeoff weight of 4,750 pounds, a useful load of 1,331 pounds, and will carry 122 gallons of usable fuel. The base sticker price, if you should care to purchase one, comes in, are you ready? Just under $1 million at $972,400. But hold the phone. If you want air conditioning, you're going to have to come up with another $22,000. So that's going to be our chariot that's going to take us to Portugal today. So if you're ready, let's hop in and let's go flying. Alrighty, let's get started. Our pre-flight has been completed. The weather has been checked. It looks generally favorable for our flight. We do have some broken clouds in the area, but the skies over Portugal are clear. There is quite a bit of haze today, but I think we can work around that. Our flight plan is filed. Cabin doors are closed and latched. Seat belts are secured. Park and brake set. Yoke is unhid. Circuit breakers are all in. We'll just do a cursory check there. And let's get on our battery master on, our left alternator on, our right alternator on. And we'll open up our throttles 1 inch, give or take. And propeller RPM in the full RPM position. Our mixtures at auto cutoff. Alternate air is off. Cow flaps need to be opened up, so let's push those down. There we go. And fuel selectors are left is on, right is on. Fuel gauges, we need to check those, so let's look in here, and we have about 35 gallons in each wing tank. So that's about 70 gallons of fuel. That's plenty to get us there. And we need to cut on our beacon/strobe. Standby fuel pump. We're going to start our left engine first, so let's go ahead and cut that fuel pump on. Left mag's on. And I'll go ahead and announce clear prop. Let me say that a little bit louder. Clear prop. There we go. And let's just zoom in here. I want to keep an eye on this fuel flow for our left engine, and we're going to increase our mixture to rich, and didn't see it move. What just happened? Let me make sure I did get the right fuel pump on. Left fuel pump is off. Left fuel pump is on. Let's make sure we got there. Let's go back in here and look at this again. Okay, fuel flow right now is 0. Still 0. That's odd. My throttles, did I bump them? Maybe that's my problem. There we go. Okay, so we're going to bring that up to full, get it to stabilize, and then bring it back down, not to shut it off, somewhere along in there. And just bump that throttle just a little bit and actually closed it. Let's go ahead and hit our starter. And then we want to check our oil pressure and bring our mixture all the way up to rich. And the oil pressure has come up. So we've cut that fuel pump off for the time being. And let's repeat the process for the right engine. Fuel pump, mags are on. And let's check our fuel flow for the right engine right here. You should see it come up, and it does. So we'll bring this back down along in there, and let's hit that starter. And that's a good start.